This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the live photo so TikTok accepts motion. First, make sure your iPhone and TikTok app are updated. Open Photos and select the live photo. If TikTok won't accept it, use Share Right arrow Save as Video to convert. Once done, open TikTok and tap the plus button, then choose Upload to locate the live photo or converted video. Doing this ensures TikTok reads motion frames. Make sure your live photo has enough duration and good lighting for smooth capture. Now you refine how the live photo appears on TikTok. After selecting the file and upload, tap Edit to trim length and adjust speed so the motion reads clearly. Slower speeds emphasize movement. Apply filters or crop to keep the moving subject centered. If you need the live photo to loop, export as a short video clip with seamless trim. Make sure to preview playback. This confirms the motion frames survived conversion and that audio sync or filters didn't freeze the effect. Finish by optimizing and posting your live photo clip. Add a clear caption, relevant hashtags, and pick a cover thumbnail that shows motion, then post. If you notice the motion is gone after upload, re-export from photos using Share Right arrow Save as Video at highest quality and re-upload. If TikTok fails to accept the file, restart the app, free some device storage, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data before retrying. These steps fix common conversion or upload issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.